This restaurant looks very nice.
Yes, it does. I like the lights.
Can we eat now? I am really hungry.
Yes, Sam. Let's go inside.
Good evening. Welcome to our restaurant.
Good evening. We need a table for 3.
Of course. Please come this way.
Wow, it smells good here.
Yes. The place feels warm and friendly.
Please sit here. Here are your menus.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
The menu has many foods.
Yes. Look slowly and choose what you like.
I am reading the menu. There are many chicken dishes.
I see soup and rice. That sounds nice.
I don't know what to eat.
What do you feel like eating?
Something easy. Maybe pizza.
Are you ready to order?
Yes, we are. I would like grilled chicken, please.
I would like vegetable soup.
Can I have a small pizza, please?
Yes. What would you like to drink?
Water, please.
Water for me too.
Orange juice, please.
Great. I will bring your food soon.
I feel very hungry now.
Waiting is hard when you are hungry.
Yes, but the food is coming.
Dad, how was your work today?
It was busy. This dinner helps me relax.
Here is your food. Please enjoy.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Wow! My pizza looks great.
Everything looks fresh.
The chicken is soft and tasty.
My pizza is really good.
I am happy you like it.
Me too. This is a nice dinner.
Excuse me,
Yes, sir?
can we have the bill, please?
Sure. One moment, please.
I enjoyed this meal.
Me too.
Thank you for your service.
You're welcome. Have a nice evening.
I am glad we came here.
Can we come again?
Yes, we will come again.